Welcome to the OSD platform demo on commenting features for contributors. In this demo, we will cover comments and proposals for change submitted by contributors working on a draft in the preparatory stage. In this first section, we will show how the working draft can be accessed. The online working draft can be accessed from your project's page in the project's platform or from the documents homepage of your working group. To access the online draft from your project details page, scroll down to the stage card. Now click on the Edit Draft icon next to stage 20.00. To access the online draft from the Documents homepage of your working group, scroll to the Online Documents widget and click on the Access Documents icon. In the following section, we will cover how the contributor can view comments and proposals. National contributors can view the draft in read-only mode. The commenting mode of the draft is the default mode for them. They can comment and propose changes. They can view all comments and change proposals added by them and by others. They can view resolved comments and their resolution. As a contributor, you can add your comments and proposals. Similarly, other contributors can add their comments and proposals. All contributors can view, react to, and reply to one another's comments and proposals in the draft. The comments and proposals added by the contributors can be immediately viewed by the leader. The leader can then resolve these comments and propose changes by accepting, rejecting, partially accepting, noting, or deferring them. Whatever be the resolution type, the resolved comments can be viewed by all the contributors. In this example, we can see that a contributor can view the draft in read-only mode. They can navigate to particular clauses and subclauses from the left-hand navigation pane. They can select particular elements and comment on them, but they cannot make any modifications to this draft. From the Overview tab, they can navigate to particular element types such as tables, figures, or formulas, and they can also view the comments and proposals added by themselves and those added by other contributors in the comment balloons. In this video, we can see how a contributor can filter comments and proposals. They can navigate to particular clauses and subclauses from the navigation pane on the left-hand side, and then scroll right to view comments and proposals added to those particular sections. They can also scroll through the entire draft to find particular comments and proposals, which can be viewed on the comment balloons on the right-hand side. Or they could add filters to find particular comments and proposals. This can be done from the Filter Comments button, where certain search criteria can be added, such as here, the contributor selects to see unresolved comments and global comments. Some matching results have been found, and those comment balloons can be viewed. In the second case, the contributor chooses to change the filters from unresolved to resolved comments and global comments. Then more filters can be added, such as the dates within which the comments and proposals may have been placed, the tags or topics that may have been assigned to the comments and proposals. Then the Set Filter button is clicked. In this particular case, we see that no matching comments or proposals are found. Therefore, the contributor now decides to remove certain filters. The filters can be removed from the Set Filter area, or they can be removed directly from the comment navigator by clicking on the cross icon next to the particular filters. In the comment balloons, the contributors can view details of the comment, such as who placed it, the type of the comment, if there are certain reactions to it or replies to it, and if they have been resolved, then even the type of the resolution. In the same way, proposals can be filtered and found. In this video, we will see how a contributor can react to and reply to comments and proposals. In the first case, the contributor selects a comment and then reviews the context of this comment. Based on the review, the contributor decides to disagree with the comment placed by the other contributor and then adds a justification and clicks on the reply button to give a little bit more context to the reaction. In the second case, the contributor selects a comment and then reviews the context in which it has been placed by the other contributor. In this case, the contributor agrees with the comment and then the contributor adds a reply that would provide further details on the reaction if required. In the third case, the contributor reviews a proposed change to an image. The contributor checks the actual image and then the change to the image that has been suggested. In this case, the contributor disagrees with the proposed change, and then the contributor provides comments that would give some justification to the reaction. In the following section, we will see how the contributors can add comments and propose changes to the working draft in the preparatory stage. Contributors can add global comments that apply to the entire draft, or they can add comments that apply to a certain selected element, such as text, figures, tables, formulas, footnotes, etc. Proposals, on the other hand, can be placed to apply only to selected elements and not to the entire draft. In this video, the contributor clicks on the comment icon from the comment navigator without being inside a particular clause or subclause. This creates a global comment. The contributor adds the text of the comment, selects a type, and clicks on the Save button. This global comment now applies to the entire draft. The contributor could also be within a particular clause or subclause, and then from the Add Comment button on top, select the option Global Comment. Then enter the text of the comment, select its type, and click on the Save button to add a general global comment applying to the entire draft. Here the contributor goes to a particular clause or subclause within the draft from the navigation pane. Then the contributor selects a certain text within this clause and selects the option Comment. Now the contributor enters the text of the comment, selects a type for it, and clicks on the Save button. Similarly, contributors could add comments to apply to certain element types. Here, the contributor finds a particular table from the Overview tab, then selects the table and clicks on the option Comment. Then the contributor enters the text of the comment, selects a type for it, and clicks on the Save button. In this example, the contributor goes to a particular clause within the draft from the navigation pane. Then the contributor selects a certain text in the particular clause and clicks on the option Proposal. Now the contributor enters the proposed change to the selected text, adds a motivation or a reason for the change being proposed. Clicking on the Show Changes hyperlink, the contributor can view exactly what is being proposed. Then the contributor selects a type and clicks on the Save button to add the proposed change. In this example, the contributor finds a figure from the Overview tab. Then the contributor selects the image within the figure and clicks on the option Proposal. Now, using the Select Image button, the contributor selects a new image that would replace the original one. Then the contributor enters a motivation for the change being proposed, selects a type for the proposal, and clicks on the Save button. Clicking on the Show Image hyperlink on the proposal balloon displays the proposed image. A contributor can only modify his or her own comments and proposals as long as they are still unresolved. Comments and proposals placed by others and those that have already been resolved cannot be modified by the contributor. In this example, the contributor adds filters to find unresolved comments placed by self. The contributor uses the user's filters to find comments placed by his or her own user account. The contributor then selects a particular matching comment and then from the context menu selects the option Edit, makes required modifications, and clicks on the Save button. In the second example, the contributor finds unresolved proposals placed by self. A matching proposal is found which proposes a change to an image. The contributor from the context menu views the context in which the proposal was made and then decides to modify it. From the context menu, selects the option Edit, selects a new image to propose, modifies the type of the proposal, even modifies the motivation, and clicks on the Save button. In this example, the contributor filters for comments placed first by other contributors. Contributor selects the option of Other Contributors from the Users filter and clicks on the Set Filters button. Matching comments have been found. The contributor then goes to the particular comment, views who placed it, but as you can see, no edit option is available on even unresolved comments placed by other contributors. In the next example, the contributor filters for proposals placed by other contributors, unresolved proposals. The contributor finds a matching one. From the context menu, the contributor can view the context in which it was placed, but no edit option is available, even for unresolved proposals placed by other contributors. Next, the contributor finds resolved proposals placed by not other contributors, but by self. Matching comments have been found. The contributor can see that the comment has been resolved. From the context menu, the contributor can view the comment in which it was, the context in which it was created, and the context in which it was resolved, but no edit option is available. Similarly, the contributor finds resolved proposals created by self. As we can see, no edit option is available. The contributor can, though, view the comment in its created context and also in its resolved context. But no edit option is available for comments placed by the same contributor if they have already been resolved. Similar to modification, a contributor can only delete his or her own comments and proposals if they are still unresolved. Comments and proposals placed by others and those that are already resolved cannot be deleted by the contributor. In this video, the contributor first filters for unresolved comments placed by self. The user filter is used to find such comments. The contributor then clicks on the matching comment balloons to view the details. And then from the context menu of one such comment balloon, the contributor selects the option Remove to delete it. In the next example, the contributor filters for unresolved proposals placed by self. Then from the proposal balloon, the contributor clicks on the context menu and selects the option Remove to delete the proposal. In the third example, the contributor filters for resolved comments and proposals placed by self. In the comment balloon, the contributor can see the resolution and other details, but the remove option is unavailable from the context menu for such comments. In the final example, the contributor looks for unresolved comments and proposals placed by not self but by other contributors. Similar to the previous example, details of comments and proposals can be viewed, but no remove option is available from the context menu. This brings us to the end of this demo. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch it. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach us at helpdesk@iso.org.